Hello, everybody. This is Natasha Stojanovic, and today I'm talking about what is foreign or negative energy and why it makes sense to clear it regularly. And let me say this up front. On a quantum level, there is no negative energy, there is only oneness. However, excuse me, in our daily experience, we have different experiences. And so, negative energy, or foreign energy as I like to call it, you have all experienced that. Have you caught yourself thinking ever, oh my God, how could I think something like that? Have you caught yourself with thoughts about what could happen if? Like fearful thoughts that you feel like they don't really belong to you? Have you had experiences that you go to crowded places and you're suddenly full of judgment about others or yourself? Or even picking up emotions, sensations when you're around other people? Well, all of these are signs that you might have picked up, that you have picked up foreign energy. And it is something that's happening to all of us, and especially if you're sensitive, if you're an empath, that will be happening to you. And the more you're stepping into your power, actually, and you live as the light that you are, and you step into your heart power, and you live from unity consciousness, the more aware you're going to get. And sometimes we feel like this is happening more than before, but actually we're just getting more aware of what's going on. And so negative energy, or foreign energy as I like to call it, for me is simply energy that in this human experience does not belong to your soul, to your being, to your expression, to your free expression, your freedom, your sovereignty, your power of who you truly are. It's not your pure essence. It's either conditioning, like when you hear yourself talking like your mother or your father, then that is conditioning. And it's also energy, because thoughts are energy. Everything is energy. We are energy. So that's one way of experiencing foreign energy. And if you're picking up sensations from people around you, that is also foreign energy. It's not your true essence. Your true essence is not angry, is not fearful, even though in the human experiences, these are all things we experience. Okay. So we have foreign energy. And why we clear it is literally, I don't know about you, but I've caught myself having these thoughts, having these feelings, and I don't want to live other people's lives. I don't want to have my mom's, my father's, my neighbor's energy running through me. I want to live my sovereign life. I want to live my soul's highest expression. And so it makes sense, just like we go and wash our hands, we shower daily, when we're out in town and we touch many things. I don't know about you, but I come home and first thing I wash my hands. And then I continue with my day. And so it's exactly the same thing, only we clear our energy. And if you haven't seen my video of how to clear your energy, I share 3 tips on how you can clear your energy. And there's a secret that I want to share with you now. That as long as you want to clear the energy because you have resistance to what you feel or think or experience, and you want to get rid of it, I guarantee you it won't really work. So the secret is to be in full acceptance of what is and to choose anew. And so if you want to learn how to do that, how to truly be in that unity consciousness and still choose your sovereignty and your pure essence, I have a masterclass. For those of you who want to join live, it's on May 3rd, 2022. And after that, it will be available for purchase, the recording. And it's a beautiful masterclass. It is with it goes a bonus. That is a meditation that you can use on the go. You can download it and you can use it on the go, and also PDF. And if you're interested in that, check it out. The link is in the description below this video. So if you're watching that on YouTube, you go to the show more and you click on that and you'll see the link with my masterclass. If you're watching that on Facebook, you can go to the comments. If you're watching it on Instagram, you go to my bio and or my website. And of course, if you like this video, of course, like it, share it, subscribe to it for more videos like that. My website is nathealing.net. Thank you for listening, and check out my video, How to Clear Energy, where I'm sharing 3 tips that are really easy to implement, very physical, very down to earth, and very simple to move that foreign energy. So thank you for listening, and I'll talk to you again. Bye-bye.